We're in the middle of making slime.
So as you can see, we already poured the glue in. And my name is Karya. And
My name
I
is
am
Zyla.
6 years old. 6.
And my name is Zyla, and I am 9 years old.
So let's get started. So first we're going to pour the glue in.
He's working out.
So what's next?
So what's next? Next,
Get over there. Get over there and tell them what's next.
and next we need 1 tablespoon of liquid. Liquid.
1 tablespoon.
Where's 1 tablespoon, John? 1. What is this?
The other.
1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon of this. Of laundry detergent. And now we're going to pour the laundry detergent inside glue. Put the dye in.
Next we're gonna put the
Now
we're gonna put the red food coloring in. You can use any kind of food coloring, but we're just gonna use red because that's all we have.
How much? How much?
How much?
It said you stir a few drops.
Okay. That's good. Okay. You only gonna put 1 drop in there?
You put a few drops. Put a
Okay.
whole bunch of drops.
You want
I'm
it
not
dark
gonna.
red? That should be good. That's enough.
That looks like it's
Start
It'll be
bleeding.
brown. Let's see.
It's red, you guys. As you guys can see.
What's next?
What's next, Carly?
It says, then stir to combine. Then wait a few minutes for it to turn gooey.
Gooey. It's gotta be pinkish, I think.
Yeah, because it looks
Gooey.
pink. Oh, turned off.
Okay.
Now next.
How long do you wait before it turns gooey? Does it say?
How
No.
long do we wait till you turn
No,
till
it does not. If you want to make colored slime, stir it in a few drops of food coloring into the glue before you add the detergent.
Oops. We added the food coloring after we added the detergent. Oops.
So what? It doesn't matter.
Right. So don't stir it and just see if it turns gooey, okay? Let's give it like,
Let's dig in our hands, like people usually do.
no. Let's give it 5 minutes to see if it turns gooey, like slime.
5
Do we need
minutes
more glue?
to see if it turns
No,
gooey.
All right, read what it says. It says give it a moment to turn gooey.
Did we put more glue in?
No, we could. It'll already be mixed. You can't add any more glue, or you have to add more dye, more liquid. We want to see if it's gonna make the actual slime, and then
So we're gonna give it a few minutes.
yeah, give it a few minutes. So just tell people you'll be back in a second.
We'll be back in a second.